So similarly, like dining areas, we can also define over waiting area. So first of all, select space. So from here, property palette, you can select this space type and open this space setting browser. So here you can write waiting area. So this is waiting area for hotel. So here you see area per person requirement for hotel is 33.3 and here approximately same. Similarly 250 and 200, so these are also same. So next we have lighting load density 0.80 and power load density. So we can change the lighting and power load density. And similarly again we can define infiltration. So this is our schedule, occupancy schedule, lighting schedule, and you can define by yourself. So occupancy schedule is 24, lighting schedule is this, power scheduling this, outdoor area per person requirement for lobby is 5. So we can write here this one, outdoor air per person requirement is 5. Similarly we have outdoor air per area, these are similar. So similarly we have air changes per hour 0, and now we have these are 70, and heating set point and cooling set point are 70 and 75. So after that we can select OK. So now we can define over all spaces.